everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. Now, I did do my Walmart haul on Sunday instead of Monday like I usually do. The reason is I'm trying to just hit more stores all at once, so I'm out and about, but I don't want to overwhelm everybody with bringing back-to-back videos. So that's the reason why I'm not going to always do it this way, but this is just how I'm going to do it for the time being. But other than that, let's just share with you guys what I got at Walmart. There's some great new deals that I want to share with you guys. Yeah, it's going to be a great week with Ibotta. Now, I did have some problems with Ibotta. I ended up scanning an item. It said it matched. When I submitted my receipt, it says it doesn't match. So I have to be emailing them. I have another problem for my Walgreens haul. So I've been contacting them like literally every single week. I've been having problems with them, and their customer service is really good most of the time. It just takes like a week for them to help you, but most of the time they'll just give you guys your money. But if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely click my referral link. You guys can be on my team. So that means basically the teams mean that you guys have to get so many rebates, but you also have to hit a certain amount. So the more people are on your team, the better that you guys can get finishing your levels. And I try to help everybody get as many levels as possible. For a while there, I was getting all 4 levels, 4, 4, 4, and a lot of you guys have hit levels that you've never hit before, and that's why I share with you guys these videos. But enough with me talking, and let's get to the deals. First deal we got is the Poise deals. Now, these are $4.84. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon. There was some on coupons.com. Otherwise, there was a regular $3 off coupon. You guys would pay $1.84 for this, but then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making this just 84 cents. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get 48 points for it. Plus, this goes towards a deal where if you spend so much, you get a bigger bonus. So I'm liking that deal. So definitely do that deal. There's a lot of Poise. Poise has been going on sale like crazy lately. Like, I feel like I just been getting it everywhere. I got it at all 3 stores today from shopping. So definitely do that. Now, I made a rookie mistake. I didn't read my coupon. I cut it out last night, didn't even look at when it expired, and went to the register, scanned it, it said it expired. I'm like, crap. So it's a mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. You know, I've done it. You guys have done it. It's okay. You'll learn from your mistakes. That I got to really pay attention to dates. But anyways, this was $1.87. I thought I had the 50-cent off coupon, but I didn't. So you guys would pay $1.87 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this $1.37. Now, like I said, it's not the greatest deal without that coupon, but I was at self-checkouts. I didn't know how to undo it. Not a big deal for me, but still, it's a great deal if you guys want to get a big jar of soap. I ended up getting the Almond Nut Thins. I've been getting these. Still haven't tried these yet, but we are working on it. These were $2.68. I used a 75-cent off coupon. You guys would pay $1.93 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.18. So I try to get some snacks for Ben. I'm trying to get a little bit healthier snacks for him. It just takes a little bit, but I am going to work on a snack video, you guys. I'm working on it. I just haven't done it, but I will do it. Probably when school starts is kind of what I'll start doing. So there's that. I ended up getting these swirl sticks, popsicles. Ben really likes these. To me, they're a little cheap. I feel like they're really not that frozen enough. Like, this box is just, they're probably all melted because they were sitting in the car, which I had in a cooler. And then, you know, then they put in the freezer, and then they've been sitting out while I'm filming. But they're okay. Ben likes them. They're only 45 calories, but there's probably a lot of sugar in them. But we let them have one a day. But these are $2.12. You guys want to use $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.12 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 37 cents. So I'm like 37 cents for popsicles. I think that is a great deal. So I'm doing that deal. I wanted to do the Persil deal again, but I didn't get those coupons. I'm hoping I get those coupons, but I love Persil, and there's a great deal with Ibotta, so definitely do that deal if you guys can do that. I've done it a couple times already. Now, I did do the Excedrin, and last week I did the Excedrin. I don't have the bottle with me right now, but the bottle one, there was a better deal, and then I didn't realize that there was a bonus. So what you guys want to do is buy the green one or the red one. So this is my Excedrin Migraine. You guys would want to use this is $4.27. You guys want to use a $1.50 off printable coupon from the Excedrin website. You guys would get this for $2.70 is what you pay for it. But then you guys can get a $1.75 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.02. Now there was also a $1.50 rebate with Savings Star if you guys haven't submitted that already. But then if you guys buy two different ones, you guys will end up getting a $1.75 bonus. So this one would be $1.02. This one is the tension headache or the PM in order to get that bonus. So again, $4.27. You guys use that $1.50 off printable coupon. You guys would just get this for $1. Why did I write $1? No, you guys would get this for $2.70. But then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making this $1.70. But like I said, if you guys buy both of these together in one transaction with that $1.75 bonus, both of these come out to be just 97 cents. So definitely do that if you guys are interested in the Excedrin deal, and then also submit your receipt if you haven't already with Savings Star like I did last week. So that's why I'm not counting that. Now, Dial went on Ibotta. Now, it's for Walmart or Target. So I'm definitely going to check Target and see what deals we can get. But Dial is just crazy. I haven't gotten Dial in forever. And then this week I got it at both CVS and Walmart. I think that's a pretty great deal. So I ended up getting the Dial hand soap. Now, they got some pretty colors. Now, this is Passion Fruit Burst. I didn't even smell it. But it's a seasonal collection, and it looks really... It looks like it smells good, you know, just by that. But anyways, these were 98 cents. You guys, there's no coupons I know out there. There might be coupons in your guys' inserts. I didn't get them, and not everybody does, so that's okay. But you guys would pay $1.96 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate off of 2 on Ibotta. So this comes out to be just $1.21 or 61 cents a piece. So I think 61 cents for hand soap is a pretty okay deal. So definitely do that deal if you guys are interested in some pump hand soap. Now I also did the Dial foam soap. Now I absolutely love this. If you guys watch my empties videos, I'm always, you know, doing these. I really like it. My neighbor loves these too. She's always asking if we have more of this soap. But these are $1.84. You guys want to use $1 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.68 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit $1 off of 2 rebate from Ibotta and $1 off of 2 rebate from Savings Star. So you guys would get these for just 68 cents. That comes out to be 34 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. As you guys can see, fresh pear is like my favorite scent. So I was really excited to get that, and I'm hoping it resets on Ibotta so we can go back and do that deal again. Now I did have, okay, Dial body wash. So both of these are $3.98. Now this is dragon fruit. which I actually smelled this one and it smelled pretty good. Yeah, it actually smells pretty decent. And they changed their bottles. I feel like they made their bottles just a little bit bigger. But yeah, so these were both $1.84. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon from coupons.com. Now, like I said, there are coupons available that we can use, but I didn't get them, and I know those coupons are a limit of 1. So, but you guys would pay $2.68 for both of these. Or no, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. You guys would pay 2 off a 2 printable coupon. You guys would pay $5.96, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta for this one, and a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta for this one. And you guys can get a 2 off a 2 rebate with Saving Star. So you guys would just get this for 96 cents. That comes out to be just 48 cents a piece or something like that. I think that is a great deal. So definitely sharing with you guys on that in case you want to do some body wash deal. Like, I feel like we never get Dial. We used to, but since they limited the coupons 1 per transaction, it's a little bit harder to coupon for. I ended up getting the Bic Soleil deal because they reset on checkout 51. Now, there are coupons that you guys can print from the Bic site. I think it's like shopbic.com. Just Google it. But you guys can print those coupons off if you want, but I didn't have any, or I already reached the limit. But these are $3.27. With checkout 51, you guys can get $3 back with a limit of 4. So these come out to be just 27 cents. If you guys have those coupons, good for you. If you don't, it's not a big deal. But I think 27 cents for razors are still a great deal. So definitely do that. And those are usually gone pretty fast. So when I went to the store, I made sure it was still available while I was shopping. Now, I did the Centrum deal, and I swear these showed up on Saving Star this morning, and then they disappeared, so I don't know if it's still available or not, but I ended up getting, these look so weird. It's like all stuck to each other, and they're all like not colored, they're all like lightly colored. It's weird. When does this expire? It says better taste. Okay, it's approved. So both of these were $6.94. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $3.94 for each of these, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with the regular vitamins, and you guys can also submit a $3 rebate with the gummies. So each of these come out to be just 94 cents a piece, which I absolutely love when you can get vitamins for 94 cents a piece. So definitely scan the items and make sure you guys can see what qualifies, but definitely get some vitamins. You know, it's good to be healthy. I ended up going crazy with mouthwash. Now, my store doesn't have a lot of mouthwash on hand, but there is a ton of mouthwash Ibotta deals. So my store only had these kinds, so that's what I got. But these were $4.96 for this big giant thing of mouthwash. $5, that's crazy. So you guys want to use a $2 off coupon for these. You guys would end up paying $2.96 for these, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 96 cents. And I usually say mouthwash for 96 cents or under $1 is a pretty great deal. So you got these giant ones for 96 cents. So yes. I ended up getting the smaller one. These were $3.96. You guys use that $2 off coupon. You would pay $1.96 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So it comes out to be just 96 cents also for this too. So it just depends on what deal you guys want to do. I ended up getting, this is my last deal, right? Yeah, I ended up getting the Cheerios deal, okay? Now, one thing I'm going to tell you guys is the box tops deal. They're getting rid of clipping them, so now you guys just submit your receipts for that. No more clipping them. I made a video a couple days ago actually explaining what to do, and I've already made a couple of I made like $1 already for my school that's locally in my area. So all you do is just download the app, scan your receipt, and you guys will get points to your school that you live, or you can choose the school that you guys want. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So what I did is I went to the cereal aisle, I scanned this. Ibotta said it matched, okay? But it said you had to buy another thing of Cheerios. So I ended up buying this. It matched. Okay. Submitted my receipt. It doesn't match. So I have to email them and be like, yo, get your app straight, because this is ridiculous. So the Cheerios were $3.84. There is $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago for this one. And then I also had $1 off Peely that they had near all the Cheerios. So I found $1 off Peely. But if you guys don't use that, it still comes out to be a great deal. But anyways, with the Peely, you guys would pay $5.68 for the both of these. But then you guys can buy both of them. You actually will get, I don't know why I wrote $3.64. Or is that what Ibotta said on there? Maybe you get $3.64, maybe you get $3.84. I think you get $3.84. I don't know. I didn't do my math right. But you get basically this one free is basically what it is. But I think it said $3.64 is what it said. So $3.64 you guys would get back with Ibotta. Plus, you guys can submit $1 off of 2 with Savings Star if you guys haven't done that already. And it goes towards, like, you spend so much, you get so much. So this comes out to be just $1.04 for both of these. So this comes out to be like 52 cents a piece. But I will be emailing Ibotta because their stupid thing said it matched. And then when you submit the receipt, it doesn't match. And I'm just like, get your app straight. So that was my haul. I am doing this a little bit earlier because I wanted to get my bonuses in. So my grand total came to $53.75. Now I did do the self-checkouts. I find the self-checkouts now a lot more relaxing. I can scan all my items myself. I can scan my coupons. The only thing is my store doesn't have like the little gun like where you scan stuff. They don't have that, so it's really hard for them to pay with my gift cards that I have. So they have to suspend my transaction, then I pay for it with them. But I'm really going to start doing the self-checkouts now. I feel just a little bit more relaxing for that. So yeah, but yeah, $53.75. I ended up getting $25.34 back with Ibotta. I had a rawhide bonus where I had to get so much, so that's $5 right there that I will be getting back. There's the Summers of Savings where you buy so much and then you have to do one online order. So what I plan on doing is actually just going to like Walgreens.com and ordering a photo, like a 10-cent photo is what I'm going to do to get my $5 for that. There's the Weekend Warrior. That's usually good on Mondays, but I got $3 back with that. I also will be finishing level 3, so that will be $2 with that. Checkout 51, I got $9 back. Savings Star, I'll be getting $4 back. That is for the Dial Body Wash, the Dial Phone Soap, and then the General Mills cereal. And then I also will be getting a Excedrin bonus for $1.75 for buying 2 different items. So my grand total came to $1.34 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely free with a little bit of spare room. So I'm loving it. This is the second time in a row where I've gotten everything for free. I hope you guys enjoy my Walmart Ibotta haul, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.